My name is Siddharth Singh and I am a program manager working with the Solid Waste Management and the Circular Economy Unit at the Center for Science and Environment. The United Nations Environment Assembly, a UN body that takes decisions on the most pressing environmental issues of our times, has brought together 175 countries who will now be deliberating on an international legally binding instrument to end plastic pollution across the life cycle of plastics. It is also informally known as the Global Plastic Treaty. The Resolution 5/14 that was adopted in UNIA's 5th meeting called for formation of an Intergovernmental Negotiating Committee, or the INC. The INC is basically the member states of UN who will actually be negotiating the treaty. The INC is scheduled to meet 5 times before the text of the instrument is opened for ratification by the member states of UNIA. Between the first and the second INC meeting, the United Nations Environment Programme Plastic Secretariat invited written submissions from member states and from civil society organizations on what should an effective treaty look like. Based on the written submissions from the member states, United Nations Environment Programme has come up with an options for elements paper for the Global Plastic Treaty. In the second meeting of the Intergovernmental Negotiating Committee, the options paper developed by UNEP on the basis of the submissions of the member states will be put forth for negotiations by the member states. Various countries have taken different positions depending on their economic interests as well as their national capacities. The Solid Waste Management and Circular Economy Unit at the Center for Science and Environment, being an accredited NGO with the UNEP, is attending the second meeting of the Intergovernmental Negotiating Committee. And our intention is to bring the latest developments from the negotiating table right to you.